Before perfume, what nobody tells you about fragrance layering. Before you spray your favorite perfume, stop. Because what you do before perfume is the secret to smelling expensive, lasting longer, and getting those "what are you wearing" compliments. Today, we're talking about what nobody tells you about fragrance layering, the small steps that change everything. Most people think layering means just applying lotion and perfume together. But real layering starts long before your fragrance ever touches your skin. And if you get these things right, even a cheap body spray can perform like a designer scent. 1. Your skin condition changes the entire scent. Skin kills perfumes fast. Fragrances evaporate quicker on dehydrated skin, leaving you thinking the perfume is weak when actually, the problem is hydration. So before anything else, lock in moisture. Use an unscented or lightly scented moisturizer, preferably something creamy, not watery. Shea butter, glycerin, or ceramides make your perfume cling better and last longer. You're not just moisturizing, you're building the base layer of your scent. 2. Your soap is the first layer, even if you don't notice it. There's the part nobody talks about. Your soap, shower gel, or body wash sets the first tone of your scent for the entire day. If your soap is fruity and your perfume is musky, the mixture can get muddy. If your soap is too strong, it can overpower your perfume entirely. Choose a body wash that matches your fragrance family. Vanilla or cocoa for gourmand, citrus or mint for fresh scents, rose or jasmine for floral, sandalwood for woody perfumes. Even if the notes aren't exact, sticking to the same vibe makes your layering effortless. 3. Never layer on sweat. It changes the chemistry. Perfume on sweaty skin doesn't just fade, it transforms. Sweat is salty, acidic, and warm. It alters the top notes instantly and makes everything smell harsher. Always apply perfume on clean, cool, dry skin. If you're reapplying during the day, wipe the area with a damp cloth first, or keep a small unscented wipe in your bag. 4. Apply your layers in this order. Most people get this wrong. Here's the correct sequence for scent that lasts. 1. Shower with a matching or neutral body wash. 2. Moisturize generously. 3. Use a matching body mist or oil if you have one. 4. Apply perfume to pulse points. 5. Finish with a hair mist, clothing spray, or light cloud of perfume. This creates a smooth transition from skin to body to clothes without overwhelming the senses. 5. Layering isn't about using more, it's about using smart. You don't need 5 products. You just need products that agree with each other. If your perfume is loud, keep your base subtle. If your perfume is soft, add a scented lotion to boost it. So before you reach for that perfume bottle, remember, the magic starts long before the first spray. Clean skin, the right base, and thoughtful layering can turn any fragrance into your signature.